flathead screwdriver. Under the side mirror, insert your screwdriver into the little slot on each side of the light. Pry the little tab on each side and pull it out. Pull the wire connector off the metal posts. Plug the wire connector onto the metal posts on the new assembly. You can see here how the larger tab will install into the larger slot, and the smaller tab will go into the smaller slot. Install the smaller tab first, then push it up into place. Now repeat those steps for the other side. Insert your screwdriver into the little slots on each side of the light. Pry the little tabs on each side and pull it out. Pull the wire connector off the metal posts. Plug the wire connector onto the metal posts on the new assembly. Install the smaller clip first, then push it up into place.